How to fix swipe up not working on Android device. First, you need to restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. A simple restart can fix minor glitches, so try restarting your phone off and on again. If restarting doesn't work, you need to check the gesture settings. To do that, open settings on your Android device, scroll down, and you need to look for system. If you don't get that option, you can select the search bar and type in gesture. And then open gestures option and make sure that you have enabled gesture navigation and tap on the learn button if you want to learn the gestures. So here you can easily learn how to use the gestures, and once done, you can easily look whether the gestures is working or not. If not yet, you need to update your device and applications. Go back to the settings section and look for software update, tapping on the search bar at top of your screen. Type in update and there you will get the update of software. Select that, and if you see any available update, you need to install and download it to the latest version. And lastly, you can restart your device to the safe mode. To do that, you have to press and hold the power button and tap and hold the power off until safe mode appears. Check if swipe up works. If it doesn't work, a third party app might be causing the issues. So you can uninstall recently installed application and fix your issues on any device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.